There are two edit elevation commands in Naviate. This video will show the edit elevations by scroll wheel command. Edit elevations by scroll wheel alters the elevations of feature line nodes with the use of the scroll wheel. The command starts by asking for points to move. Select one or more nodes of a feature line by clicking on the feature line near the node or by clicking on the label for the node. The command can also be used to edit the elevation of Kogo points or entire feature lines at the same time. Once the selection is made, press enter. Then the scroll wheel can be used to start changing the elevations. The increment of each scroll tick can be set within the increment options. Select Set Elevation to set all the selected nodes on equal elevations. Click Select New Points to make a new selection set. Use Select Surface to rebuild one or more surfaces, or turn on the auto build while scrolling. Using the undo command will undo all scroll actions within that command session.